What's the meaning of Chartist? Chartist. Chartist.
Chartist. Chartist. A chartist is a technical analyst who uses charts and other tools to analyze financial markets and make investment decisions. They believe that historical price movements and patterns can be used to predict future trends. Chartists typically use various charting techniques, such as trend lines and moving averages, to identify buy and sell signals. By analyzing charts and other technical indicators, chartists try to gain insight into potential market movements in order to make profitable trades. Their approach is based on the assumption that market trends and patterns are cyclical and can be predicted with some degree of accuracy.